Today we are looking at a Clipper AT Farrell bucket elevator leg. This unit has been rebuilt and is ready to go out and perform. This unit would be a good asset to any seed operation. Has a decent bushel per hour capacity. This unit is powered by a 2 horsepower single phase brand new electric motor. We've serviced up the gearbox, repacked the bearings, checked over all of the wear components. We relagged the head pulley on this unit as well. You can see the boot pulley's in good shape. All of the mechanical systems have been gone over, checked over, and have been given the A-OK. It also comes with a set of sections. Just doing a walk around of this unit, and we're going to fire it up so you can see it run. Now we are going to discuss the discharge height of this unit. We have calculated up the sections, and the overall height of this unit is 17 feet. That is 17 feet from the ground, where the boot mounts to, up to the very top of the leg, 17 feet. And the discharge height of this unit is 14 foot 6 inches. That is 14 feet 6 inches from the ground to the discharge of the head. All right, we have the unit hooked up to power. Fires right up, starts strong, runs strong. We've had it running for about an hour. Again, this is a brand new motor. The gearbox is warm, but that's normal. The motor is running at a normal temperature. Got new belts on this unit. We were able to repack the bearings. This unit is ready to go out and perform. Worked just as good as a new one. You can see the boot pulley here. That spins freely as well. Again, this unit has been rebuilt and is in good, ready to run condition. This bucket elevator is available from us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery, as well as bucket elevators, larger and smaller, all makes, all models. Thank you for watching.